These are going to be the little parking elevators at the Royal Bank of Canada building in Montreal. Look at this. These are modded, but we still have a tree in here to show you. That there used to be an Otis globe. Now look at this. Otis Fensom. SS2 is locked 5. Wow. You're on 5. Yikes. Ugh. Really cool cab. Now let's go down to RC. Oh, we can go down to SS1. Whoops. There's your COP. Now let's get a view of this. Got an old Otis Fensom manually control crank. These used to be manually controlled. Going down? Just taking a video of the elevator and riding it. It's pretty cool. And I see they, even though they updated these, you can see they still have the old crank where they used to operate them. Have a nice day. Are you going down? Doors operator is probably original from the last mod. S1. We're gonna go back up on these elevators. I can hear the relays. Oh, that doesn't work. That's too bad. There's your Otis Fensom thing, RC. Look at the inside of the elevator. Mom, look at the inside of the elevator. Look at that.
Fensom.
Yeah, they're modded as you see, but they kept that crank though. Alright. Oh.